think that I would be safe to wager that pretty much everybody watching this video right now has this tool that is in my hand. And I would also be willing to wager that most of the people that are watching this video that own this tool aren't using it correctly. What's up, everybody? My name is Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. Now, we got a pair of vice grips, and this is a basic tool. Pretty much everybody has these sitting in their garage, in their toolbox. Some people use them more than others. In high school, I did body work professionally, and then after high school for a couple years. We use these all the time. Now, if you're a mechanic, auto body technician, or in fabrication, you're probably gonna know what I'm about to show you. But some of you, prepare to have your minds blown. So it's gonna be a quick video. Let me show you how these actually work. All right, in my hands right here, I have some metal. It's about 1/4 inch thick right here. Now, say I was trying to hold this piece of metal down or, tack something to this piece of metal. Or maybe, you're doing some DIY mechanical work, you're changing your brakes outside, you got a bolt that you're trying to hold on to, whatever. You know the point of the vice grips. You're gonna take this and basically grip it. Now, conventionally, what we do is we'll take our vice grip and we'll bring this down, and then we'll get close to where we need to be on that piece of metal or the bolt or whatever you're doing. You're gonna squeeze really hard, and sometimes it fits and sometimes it doesn't. So what do? We tighten it down a little bit more, and we play this game over and over again until, well, we finally find where we need to be, and then we crimp it. Now, the problem is, I was guessing, and this is going to move around. It might slip off my bolt or my piece of metal. So what do we have to do again? Well, we open it up. We finally know where we're at. We're going to tighten it down just a little bit more, and hopefully this will be tight enough to clip. But still, you're able to move this around. It's not the grip that you need. Vice grip, you need the grip. And well, this is where this comes in. What you probably didn't know that is on the bottom of your vice grips, where your tightening lever is, well, check that out. Yeah, that's what's up. So now we can go about this one of two different ways. One is I can just put this on, get close to where I need to be, loosen that up a little bit. And then on the back side, I'm gonna take my Allen wrench, put it on the top right here, and crank that down to the point where it ain't gonna move no more. But say you got the nasty, the horrible thing that you really need to grip this thing down on. Well, check this out. We're just gonna loosen this bad boy all the way up. So if I do take this, you can see it ain't coming anywhere close to that piece of metal right there. But if I use my impact driver, I can put it on slow speed, whatever I wanna do. I'm just gonna go in the back like so, and watch it and learn it, my friends. And now, this ain't going nowhere. Now, you can either loosen it up the way you put it on, or you can still, but it just has a little bit more of a spring action, so be careful with that. If I really wanted to just crank that thing down, I really needed as much force as I have. You can see that's very loose. I'm just gonna take this again, or my Allen wrench. It ain't going nowhere. And that, my friends, well, that's real nice. So there you go, something that is so basic. Again, you might have known about this, but a lot of you didn't. Love to hear that sweet feedback in the comment section. Did you know about this? Did you not know about this? Also, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to smash that like button. It's greatly appreciated. Share this out with your friends. They're gonna like you a whole lot more. Believe me, they told me. And check out those videos right there. You can like those as well. We'll be back with more videos soon.